RX-8. I really want another one. Fortunately, Brodie's not going to sell it to me. Sorry, Andrea. No, that was so much fun to ride. But we're just doing the final logbook bit for Brodie's car. So we put window net in. So this is the new ones that we do with the Weld-On kits. So we got the Splattermatic 3000 there. So I don't know if you can see, but it came up pretty sweet. So welded on, spring loaded, nice big tabs. They're actually a really good window net, so I'm stoked. We put the battery, I'll go around the other side. Rain lights on. Battery isolator's done. Just got to tidy out the wiring, put the center console back in. Harness device. So you just got a Stroth harness device, ARIA GP7, all the good things. But yeah, and the good news is Brodie's going to come race next race meeting. So pretty stoked on that because this is pretty much an RX-8 Cup spec car. It's stocker engine. What you got down to 59 so far with it? 69 I should say.
Yeah, 70.
Yeah, 70 flat. 70. So yeah, he'll go 59, 58 as soon as. So pretty chuffed. Made a mess of the bonnet pins. I hate doing bonnet pins. They suck. But little man's here helping out. What do you reckon, dude? You crawling? New driver. What do you reckon, bros?
Yeah, ready to go.
What are you worried about? What are you stressed about?
I don't know. Been on the track, I guess.
Really? You've done heaps of laps, man. You're sweet. So Ducky's doing his OLT on the 8. Yeah, you can put the race helmet on, dude. Brodie needs to wear it to make himself look better. Oh, that's why any reason I'll wear a helmet. But yeah, I'm just chuffed to see another RX-8 getting out there. I really want to get one again because they're pretty hard to beat. They may not be the fastest car, but they're pretty hard to beat for dollar value fun because you can really rag on them. Like you can drive them so hard, and they're really compliant and they rev and got to downshift properly and heel toe, all the good things. So, stoked. Looking forward to Brodie's getting out there and yeah. What's you've done a few track days in this now. What's the biggest thing you've learned about it compared to your Silver you had before?
Just probably the braking, really. It pulls up really nice.
Yeah, so that's what surprises me. The RX-8s with the Serco brake package, just stock brakes, rotors, and good pads, fluid. They stop so well. So yeah, bit of an update. Another car on the grid. Stoked.